What's up, everyone? Welcome back. I just wanted to do a quick little well, end of the week video. Actually, I wanted to talk about Kaspa a little bit. One of the coins that, while Bitcoin and all the other coins were basically going up, Kaspa was going down. I wanted to do a little technical analysis on it. I wanted to talk about some news regarding it. I've actually opened a little trade. I just concluded my trading video, which is on my channel. If you click on my channel, you can watch that as well. And yeah, as a follow-up, I opened a little trade on it. I might be good on that, I might not be, but hey, I figured I'd feature it in this video and maybe we can see if we are right on our hunch. All right, let's get into the video. Before I do that, once more, just a guy sitting in his attic trying to make some money online. I'm not a financial expert. This is not financial advice whatsoever. That being said, it's all for entertainment purposes. Please do your own research and do your own trades, your own strategies. Maybe compare them to mine. And if you can criticize me, do it. If you know better, also let me know. I'd love to learn as well. But for now, let's get into the video. All right, so here we are again, back at CoinMarketCap. As we can see today, tiny increase, but basically sideways movement, as opposed to yesterday. Yeah, tiny movement, volumes reasonable. Well, it's a lot of volume, but it's moving up and down. So yeah, for now it's sideways. I don't expect much action this weekend. I'd sooner see a dip than some movements, but as I said, it's all predicted towards this event of the presidency, the election. Basically a bit of smoke and mirrors. It's hard to tell what's going to happen now, but for shorter term, I think there are some nice trades to be made. Fear and greed index, it's a little lower again. It was a bit lower earlier today. It's gone up a tiny bit, but overall it's still in a good place. If we do get some good news somewhere, I think we will see a big push up. But maybe if Trump does win, maybe we will see this massive increase. I hope so, at least, because yeah, I'm dedicated to this to crypto. If it goes down, it's also good in my book because I get to buy cheaper more. Anyways, back to the coin of the hour, so to say. I wanted to talk a little bit about Kaspa. There's been a lot surrounding it. Today it's been another 9% lower as well. I noticed it bottoming out though a little bit, and I saw a bit of support on it, and I figured that'd be a good point for a small long trade. I could be completely wrong on it, but I took a gamble on it. So crypto bubbles, like I said, it's a bit of a mixed bag today. Not a lot of action. On 28, Kaspa, 0.5% is nothing. 7%, 0.7%. It's not great. The minus 22 is not gone. Year over year, yeah, of course it's good. It's not stellar. Best part is though that the market cap still has plenty of room for growth, and if it is here to stay, yeah, we might see some big pump on this coin, probably next year though. But yeah, there's definitely room for like a 10x, a 2x, 4, 5. There's definitely room. There's room here to grow, which I think is good, especially considering the volume. The volume is tiny compared to the market cap at this point. So yeah, for sure, I think there's room there's room in this coin. This is some news article I found. Nearest key support for possible bounce. This is all I needed to know. Go to my trade. I had no intention of reading the entire article. Just think, hey, I'm not the only one thinking this. There are plenty of traders looking for opportunities like this, and if everyone looks for this opportunity and everyone will find it, we're bound to see some bounce back up. So if we do grab my chart over here, a lot of little lines. Let's go full screen. Didn't draw any trend lines, but there's a repeating pattern. Big move down, big move up, big move down. We're basically in the same area here. Big move up. So I've opened a small position here, small long position. It's currently in a tiny profit, but I've opened my first entry here. I will be adding a second entry here and a third entry here. And around here will be my stop loss. And yeah, if we do get a repeat of this bounce, I mean, come on. There are resistance levels here. So most likely, if we dip down to this level, this will be my first take profit. This will be the second, and the first entry I will close around this level. I might keep the third one open just to see if we go to a new all-time high, and I'll turn that into a long-term swing trade and just keep taking out margin along the way, just keeping the trade itself open. That could also be a very good deal. It kind of depends on what the price does, though. For now, it seems like it shot further up and it went back down. But yeah, I'm definitely seeing some buying pressure. And this is, of course, the daily. But if we go to the 15-minute, I like trading on the daily chart, or at least confirming on the daily chart. Why? Because it's more accurate. The wider we view our map, the more information we see, basically. And the tinier we go into these time frames, the more unreliable these support levels are. But on the daily, especially in crypto, it's this self-fulfilling prophecy. It will react on that level. I'm not saying it'll go up or down, but there will be a spike. There will be a reaction. And it will either confirm my trade, or it will open my second entry. And if we keep shooting down, then I close it. Then I was wrong. I close it. We try to find a new bottom or a new top, and we reverse our trade, or we re-enter our trade, basically. But yeah, this was my first entry. Just this tiny little support level, which is repeated here and here. I'll admit it's not the best entry I could have found, but I wanted to open a little trade on this just to see what would happen, because I saw it was starting to move up. I saw this. I think I opened it here. I saw this level. So that's what I anticipated. Let's head back to the daily chart. There's been there's been a lot of talk about it. We've also saw this massive sell-off here. Yeah, is the token done? It could be done. I'm not 100% sure. I'm just taking a small gamble here. Obviously, it's a small trade on my part, but I like trading smaller amounts before bigger amounts. It just gets me to get a better feeling, basically. You can always leverage more into a trade, or you can also take more out, obviously. But yeah, for now, I'm just trading smaller amounts just to confirm my suspicions. And yeah, if it does, I might actually add Kaspa to my spot holdings. For now, I don't hold it at all. But yeah, it's look at this point, it's looking juicy, and with the reasonably low market cap, if it does do a 10x over a year or over 2 years, that's quite a big margin to increase. Like, even if it does a 2x 3x, that's plenty. That's a very good score overall. So yeah, for sure, one to watch. For now, I'll keep my trade open. I just wanted to do a small little weekend update on this. Like I said, I don't expect a lot on Bitcoin. We can have a small look on it. full screen as well. So it's completely sticking to the box I drew 2 weeks ago. Yeah, we are seeing some move further up here. I opened the trade in this for my training video, and yeah, I might add a little more on it actually at this level. If we do return to the top of this level, that could be a nice little trade as well. I don't think we'll see any huge movements for the coming few days. Like the elections on the 5th, 4 more days. Yeah, I personally, either we see a small sell-off heading into the election, or people will start holding their breath for the result. And if that happens, we'll likely see. I definitely think we will see a massive volume explosion after the election, either up or down. It could be either way. I do intend to be out of these trades before them, or I'll be monitoring while the results come in, just to or set a tight stop loss. Really, I'll actually just set a good stop loss, one I'm happy with, and keep them open. If we do reach big profits before that, I will close them. But for now, yeah, it's a tiny amount, so I'll take a little gamble on it. All right, I just wanted to do this small weekend update, weekend video before yeah, I go celebrate my weekend as well. I wish you all a happy weekend. Please let me know what you think about Kaspa, if you hold Kaspa. If there's anything I need to know about Kaspa, any news you might know. If you have any other comments, also feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And if you can, please leave a like and subscribe on my channel. It would help me tremendously. I'm just starting out, and I'd love to be able to grow this channel into something I can keep doing, so that I can keep providing you with well, content really. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys, and have a great weekend.